A resource list allows teachers to create online lists for their students. Students have access from any computer to go to their teacher's resource list, which gives them online resources and library books they can review or check out. A teacher can easily build and support their curriculum online within Destiny. Students can create a private resource list of materials they use for a research assignment and generate a citation list from it. As teachers, you might create a public list of resources for students to use in an upcoming lesson, or just to advertise the books you recommend they read. To get started, go to the Osceola Destiny catalog and click the Login button in the upper right-hand corner. Your login username is the same format as the student's username. Your password is your lunch code or your copy code number. To begin a resource list, click on the Catalog tab from the options on the left-hand side. Choose Resource List. By default, My Personal List is available from the My List sub-tab. Lists you have already created will show up in the center under My Personal List. To create a new list, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Add List. Enter the name for the list, and if desired, a description can be entered to appear on the Resource List page. Select Make this list public checkbox to make the list visible to other students and teachers. Lists that are made public show up in the center of the Destiny Quest page. Finally, click Save. The new list will appear on the Resource List main page. Once you have created a resource list, you can add titles to it from the Resource List page that we are currently on, or from the catalog search results in the traditional view or in the Destiny Quest view. I will quickly show you how to add titles with each of these options. Titles can be added to the new list through the Catalog tab and Resource List option. Click the View button to the right of the list name you would like to add titles to. Make sure the correct list is selected at the top of the page. Click the Add to this list button. There are many options for adding titles to your list by selecting the drop-down menu. As teachers and students, you will probably use the author, subject, or call number. To add titles from the catalog, search in the traditional view of Destiny. Begin with a library search to locate the titles you wish to add. On the results page, select the resource list you want to add from the selected list drop-down menu. Then click the Add to this list button located on the right-hand side of each title. You also have the option to click the Add page to add all the titles on the search results page to your selected list. If you want to add books to your list from the Destiny Quest page, you will want to make sure the correct list is selected before you enter the Destiny Quest site, as you are not able to change between lists while in that view. Enter a title, author, or subject into the search bar and click Go. To add a book, you can either click and drag the image of the book into your list box in the lower right of your screen, or you can click on the book and select Add to List. To view the titles and websites you have added to your list, click on the list box in the corner. You can generate a bibliography report or citation list from a resource list by selecting Print Options. Citation lists can also be created for digital resources and websites. This option is accessible from the Digital Resources and Websites sub-tabs of your resource list. This video showed you how to create resource lists, make them public or private, and generate a citation list. For more information, you can contact your media specialist or stop in the IMC for help.